Listen, Flyboy, the contents of that case are worth more than you make in a year. You got that sport?
I understand.
You be careful. Do you have a fragile sticker or something you can put on that? Because I know it goes on back there. I had a box of cookies once and came in his crumbs.
The Mystic Portal.
As we go through, just need to find that case.
There's the case! No, there's the case! You take that one, we'll take this one. Let's go in the bathroom!
Nice flash, though.
Okay, Woody, let's go! Take that, space toy!
Hey, you are just that to my friend!
No choice, Woody. You can go to Japan together or in pieces. If he fixed you once, he can fix you again. Now get in the box. Never! Fine.
Gotcha, idiots! Children destroy toys! You'll be ruined! Forgotten! Spending eternity rotting in some landfill! Well, Stinky Pete, I think it's time you learned the true meaning of playtime. Right over there, guys! No! No! No!
Look, Barbie, a big ugly man doll. Ooh, he needs a makeover.
Hi. Oh, you'll like Amy.
She's an artist.
Happy trails, Prospector!
Buzz! Woody! Help us out here!
Hurry! Oh no, Jesse! Jesse! Come on, Buzz! Ride like the wind, Bullseye! Hey, giddy up! Come on, Bullseye! Buzz, give me a boost! There's the rest. Excuse me, ma'am, but I believe you're on the wrong flight.
Woody,
Come on, Jess. It's time to take you home.
what if Andy doesn't like me?
Nonsense, Andy'll love you. Besides, he's got a little sister.
He does? Why didn't you say so? Let's go!
Hold it! There's a couple more bikes coming from the terminal!
Okay, on three. One, two.
Too late! Put him on the next line! Let's go home.